Look what they're standing next to here, a 1955 Chevy Bel Air, right-hand drive, valued at $180,000. Have a go at the exterior on this. It's a two-tone wide over blue. It's got Cragar wheels. It's a pillarless two-door coupe. It's had a full restoration rebuild on the body, on the whole motor vehicle. Look at the power plant housing that's pushing Belle along the road. I tell you, it's a big block 502 engine. It's got a turbo 400 gearbox, a Hurst shifter, a 9-inch diff. It's got it all going on, and a Holley carb to boot. Well, I'm sitting behind this right-hand drive, and Belle's got a beautiful interior. I'm telling you, look at the headlining. It is sick. It's got chrome rails fitted across the top of it, which is an optional extra. It's got a beautiful dash component on it. It's got a good stereo system, power windows on it. The shifter's all intact. It's just a beautiful, beautiful car. It's all been retrimmed in blue and white. Well, Belle's up for grabs. Travel down memory lane, cruise on the highway with this unbelievable two-door 1955 coupe. It is sick. Paddy here from Classics. We proudly support veterans.